is it Japanese? What the heck, Dad?
Your friend, Pig has come over. Please visit him. Let's just stupid people. Just come over to our house. Oh, man.
He's a holy like Pig. Whatever.
Hey, Redstone, what's that thing in your head?
That's a camera. Well, Pig, it's not red, sir. It's red.
Whatever.
I just want to know, thing.
Whoa, that thing has light. It must be a creation of God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Well, that's not a creation of God. That's technology.
But who created it? I want to meet that person.
It's a whole company. Canon.
Whoa. But Canon must be a god.
What the fuck?
It's 2017, you idiot. And that's a company, as I told you before.
Okay, you just not pay the bill.
What? What does bill mean? Wherever, I need to drink fresh lake water. But before that, I want to ask you something. How much does it cost? It must cost a life.
It just costs $20.
And why laughing? I don't know, but my voice just keeps changing. I think I'm mad.
Your idiotic type voice.
The pit died, as you must say.